7th standard NCERT geography book, life in desert. Okay. So very important what criteria of a desert is dryness. Right now, when the area is having a very less meager rainfall, or you can say less than 15 centimeter annually, we call that as a desert area. Desert area. So it is a dryness which defines the desert. Again, desert is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperature. So it can be a cold desert or it can be a hot desert. But what is common among them is aridity. Temperature can be high or temperature can be low, but dryness, there is no water, there is no water available. Okay. Places no water to drink also. Okay. No grass for a cattle. Okay. No water for crop, nothing. That is a desert. Okay. Desert is, it is very harsh climate, you can't live. Okay. It is extreme harsh climate. Okay. The hot is as fire and cold is as ice. Okay. That is the extremity. That means you got completely cold in the winter season, and in summer season it's completely hot. Completely hot. Okay, so first let us talk about Sahara. Sahara. It is almost the entire northern part of Africa. We have Sahara. It is the world's largest desert. World's largest desert. Look at the size. Okay. 8.54 million square kilometer. Okay. 8.54 million square kilometer, where India is just 3.2 million. So it is larger than India. It passes through 11 countries. Please copy down the countries. Okay. Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, Western Sahara. These are the countries over which the Sahara passes through. We can see it here. Okay. So Western Sahara is here. Western Sahara. Morocco, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Algeria, Libya, Chad, Sudan, Egypt. Okay. Now, Sahara Desert was once a very thickly populated, thickly forested region. Okay. It is like, for example, some of the cave paintings in Sahara shows that they were rivers and crocodiles, all this. Okay. In fact, one river is flowing from here. Which is that river?
Nile.
Nile River. Okay. Nile River is flowing. So Sahara has got one Nile River. Okay. But other areas are completely dry. There is no river, nothing like that. Okay. Some places you have something called, right down Lake Chad. There's a lake called Lake Chad. One in place, I think here somewhere the same. Okay, but still it is an arid region. It's a completely arid region. It's hot and dry region. Right now, it is hot and dry region. World's largest desert, Sahara Desert. So climate, I not tell you. We know about this. It's a hot, okay, extremely hot. Okay, look at this temperature. It goes up to 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, normally in Kerala we get around 30 degree, maximum 30. That it's a very chood that we will switch on the AC. But here normally people live in 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, 56 it is. Right in this place called Al Azizia. It is in Libya. It has recorded 57.7 degrees Celsius temperature in 1922. It is the hottest place in the earth. Okay, hottest place in the earth. Okay, flora and fauna. Okay, now it is a desert area, so you've got a type of vegetation known as xerophytes. Right now, xerophytes, which is nothing but thorny forest. Okay, thorny vegetation. Cactus and all you might have heard about. Okay, okay, like that. This one. Okay, so xerophytes. Okay, apart from that, animals, if you see, camel is there. Okay, then all this and all. Okay, and most of the animal practice something called hibernation. What is hibernation?
Sleeping during.
Yeah, they rest during a summer or extremely summer season or extremely winter season. They'll go and sleep. They'll not come out. They'll go to their tunnels and they'll stay there. Okay, it's a period. Okay, where they become dormant. Okay, in fact, the word is dormant. They become dormant. Okay, they are not active. You can't see them. Okay. Okay, example, I'll tell you some example is lizard also sometimes similarly they are disappearing. You will not find lizards at some seasons. Just find out that. So they'll go and they'll hide somewhere. Okay, only in certain condition they'll come back. Coming to the people here, people are very, very, very rich people. Okay, not poor people. I'll tell you why they're rich. Okay. But anyway, right on the tribal people found here, Bedouins and Turaks. These are the tribal people who are found here, Turaks and Bedouins. Bedouins are mainly found in Arabian side. Turaks are people who are found in Sahara. Okay. Indigenous people, Bedouins and Turaks. Bedouins and Turaks. Okay. They have a nomadic life. They have a rearing of sheep, camel, and all. It is what they do for their living. Okay, I already told you Nile River flows through it. Okay. So some kind of agriculture happens in the Egypt. The Egyptian cotton are very famous in the world. Okay. Right, Egyptian cotton. They grow rice, wheat, barley, all this. Okay, because of the Nile River in the desert. In the desert, you got a Nile River. Okay. Now I said they are really rich or they are poor. Okay. They are not poor because nowadays this area is having a oil discovery of oil. So Algeria, Libya, Egypt. Okay, all these countries are exporting oil. Okay, mineral oil. That is a hydrocarbons, crude, crude. Okay. And other one from that, lot of other minerals like look at this iron, phosphorus, manganese, uranium. These are also found. Okay, so we can't say that these countries are poor. Okay, they are poor because of lot of civil war happens. Okay, but otherwise they have got rich resources. Okay, rich resources. Hydrocarbon is there, minerals are there, lot of things. Okay, now some people in this deserts and all, they are so rich, super rich. They'll buy very costly car and they'll drive in that desert without road. Okay. Those things and all there. So Sahara is a hot desert, okay, largest desert. Next, right on heading called Ladakh. Ladakh. Ladakh is a cold desert in India. Ladakh. The word La, no, that means passes. Okay, Natula, Shipkila. Okay, La means pass. Okay. Ladakh is made up of two words, La, which means pass, and Dak means country. Okay, so it is a country of passes. Now, this is a cold desert. Okay, so already I told you desert means it is an aridity. It is an absence of water. Okay. So why there's an absence of water in Ladakh right now? It is found in the leeward side of Himalaya. Okay, that means not Himalaya. Two, three ranges are there. So in the other side, the monsoon will not reach. Okay, monsoon will not reach. I'll show you the map. Look at this. Okay. So here, if you look, Ladakh range is here. Okay. Ladakh range. Okay. And here you got Pir Panjal. Okay. Two, three ranges. So beyond this, this will not go. Say they are found in the leeward side, thereby no rainfall. No rainfall. Okay. Leeward side, no rainfall. Okay. But some rivers are flowing in this region. Like an example, Jaskar is a mountain as well as a river. Indus and its tributaries are there. Okay. Indus and tributaries are there. Okay, so Ladakh has got water body, lakes and all that. For example, right on So Morari is one lake. Okay. Then Pangong So, you might have heard about this word now, the dispute between India and China. Pangong So. Okay. So these are the some water bodies. Okay, so Pangong So, rivers like Indus. Then there's a river called Shiok. All these are flowing in this region. Yeah, you can see this is Shiok River is there, Indus River is there. These are the Siachen Glacier is here, Siachen Glacier. Okay, write down this pass here. You can see Jojila Pass. Write down, I'll explain about this later. Jojila. Jojila Pass. Then you can see Baralacha Pass. Baralach. Baralacha Pass. Totan Pass. Okay, Ratan passes. So passes means small gap through which you can cross the mountain. Okay, you cannot cross the mountain by climbing over it. Okay, rather you have to find for small gap. For example, Palakkad is one small gap in Western Ghats. Like this, we have to find a small gap through which we can pass. So that is known as pass. So these are the pass: Jojila Pass, Barlacha Pass, Rohtang Pass. In fact, here somewhere in I think Himachal Pradesh, okay, you have a pass called Shipkila. You know, Shipkila Pass, through which Sutlej River enters India. Sutlej River enters India through this Shipkila Pass. Shipkila Pass. Okay, already I told you why they are not having rainfall, because they are found in the leeward side or rain shadow regions of the Himalaya. That means this is blocking. The monsoon winds cannot pass on the other side. Monsoon winds cannot pass. Like a similar example I can give you. Western Ghats is there. Kerala receives rainfall, whereas Tamil Nadu do not get rainfall. Because it's the same thing. Okay, rainfall will be completely completed in the Kerala part of the Western Ghats. Now coming to flora and fauna. Okay. Now this is a cold desert. Okay. So some grasses are found. Okay. Okay. Cold desert, some grasses are found. Fruits, okay, apple, all these are found here. Okay. Okay. Apricot, walnut. Okay, these are found. Okay. So it is, so look at this. So being a cold desert, you've got some advantages. Hot desert, yeah, hot desert, so some kind of dates, all these are found. Look at this. Apple, okay, walnuts, all these are found. Okay. And this region is mainly for tourism also. Okay, people, a lot of people go to Ladakh. Okay. So that is a thing. A lot of yak is there that you use for milk and cheese and butter. And they have a lot of nomadic people. Okay, they have goats with them. Okay. This pashmina shawls, pashmina wool, all this come from this. So flora and fauna, you can see that some grasses only, you don't have large trees, and a lot of fruit-bearing orchid. Okay, that is happening. People, okay, people here, okay, they follow Islam or they follow Buddhism, but most of them are Buddhist people. Okay, most of them are Buddhist people. Okay, some of the monasteries in the region, write down Hemis, okay, Tikste, She, Lamayuru, all these are names of monastery. Please write down names of monastery. Names of monastery. Okay. They do some kind of agriculture. Okay, cultivating barley, potato, maize, all this cultivation. It is not a completely like nothing can be grown in terms of Sahara. Not like okay, something is okay. Okay, you might have heard about this. Leh. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Okay, Ladakh is in part of which state?
So Union Territory.
It is not a state. It is a union territory. It is a union territory. look at this. I told you only small passes you can cross the mountain. Leh is connected to Kashmir, okay, through Jojila Pass. Leh is connected to Kashmir through Jojila Pass. Look at this. It's a Dikshe monastery. Monastery. These are the places. Okay, so don't forget this. Hemis. Okay, Hemis is one place. Then Dikshe is one place. Dikshe is one place. Then Lamayo. These are the places we got monastery. Likewise, if you go to Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim also you can find a lot of monasteries. I already told you they are very famous for tourism. Okay, tourism. Now look at this. There are four passes: Rohtang Pass, Manali Leh Highway. Manali is in which state? Manali. I think it is in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. So these are tourist places. No? So if you want to go to Leh, you have to pass through Rohtangla, Baralacha, Lungalacha. Okay. Tanglang. Please copy down this law. Tanglangla. Rohtangla, Baralachala, Lunglangla, Tanglang. See, some kind of modernization is coming, okay, but still people are having a traditional life here. Okay, Ladakh. Ladakh. Yeah, send me the answer. First question, send me the answer. Second question, send me the answer. Third question, fourth question. Fadafat. Only one answer. What about others? Okay, when answering, tell me one, what, two, what, like that. Okay, don't simply send me the answers. Okay, okay. Tell me one, two, three, four. Okay, in one go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. First question: Sahara is located in which part of Africa? Northern part of Africa. Sahara is what type of desert? It is a hot desert. Ladakh desert is mainly inhabited by the Buddhist and Muslims. Okay. Not this one. It's a Christian, right? Buddhist and Muslims. Okay. A desert is characterized by scanty vegetation, heavy precipitation, high evaporation. Evaporation will be very high. So other is scanty vegetation, which we call as xerophiles. Xerophiles. Okay.